Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your likes and posts on Facebook from certain friends. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Facebook, and first of all, we need to go to the Facebook setting. You can click on these three lines and you can click on the setting icon to open up the Facebook setting and privacy. And if you want to hide your likes, you can go to the reaction preferences. Okay, and here you can activate this feature to hide your likes, but unfortunately there is no way to hide our likes from certain friends. We can only hide our likes from everyone on our post. But don't worry guys, because we can still hide our post from certain friends on Facebook. If you want to hide your post, you can go to the post setting right here. Okay, and here you can change who can see your post on Facebook. As you can see, I choose public, so everyone can see my post, and I'm going to hide it from certain friends. We can go to the friends accept, and you can choose your friends you want to hide your post from, and I'm just going to pick random friends, and we can click on done. All right. Okay guys, and that's how we can hide our likes and posts on Facebook from certain friends. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.